Hello, today we're going to see valuation of limit in the form of 1 power infinity. So let's see some formulas. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is e. Same for limit x tends to 0, 1 plus lambda x whole power 1 by x e power lambda. That's the coefficient. You can just remember these two formulas and you don't need to remember these two, because from these you can get these by replacing the coefficient as 1. It will be 1, right? Coefficient not only. So e power lambda, here coefficient 1, so e power 1, which is e. Here is 1, right? Lambda is equal to 1, so e power 1 is equal to e. So that's the formulas. Limit x tends to infinity, here 0. So we have limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus lambda by x whole power x is equal to x by lambda. So now let's get into some problems. Now we got two problems here. Evaluate the following limits. Okay, limit 1 plus x whole power 3 by x. So we learn this part, and then this numerator will be 1 by x. So that will be what? E. So e power, so what here? 1 power 3, which is equal to e power 1 to 3, which is equal to e power 3. That's it. Now next question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x. So this was lambda, right, in the formula. So what? Apply the formula, e power 2. That's it. It's easy, right? For like 6 questions it will be easy. Then we'll see a little bit harder ones. Now let's move on to the third question. Okay, we got a third and fourth problem now. 1 plus 3x, this will be lambda. So what will take e power 3, right, instead of lambda, whole power 4, which is equal to e power 3 into 4 is equal to e power 12. That's the answer here. Next, limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole power 2x. Here you get, what's the formula for e, and here you'll get 2. So that's the answer. Pretty easy, right? Now let's go on to the next questions. Okay, so fifth and sixth question. Limit x. Okay, this is the formula. This is lambda, right? That means what is e power 3. That's it. Now next, here so this is lambda, e power 2 power 3, which is equal to e power 6. That's it. This is right. Just remember the 4 formulas I gave at the starting of the video, and you can do these problems. Now let's move on to the next question. Now we're on the next question, 7th. Okay, so if there's a formula, if it's like this, limit x tends to a, f of 1 plus f of x whole power g of x, then you have to take e power f of x into g of x. This formula will apply. So e power 1 right? So x into 1 by sin x. What do you see? X by sin x 1, which is equal to e power 1. That's it. This question also over. Just remember this formula. Okay, so now let's go on to 8th question. Now we're on the next question. Limit x to 0 cos. Okay, here what you have to do, if it is given limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x, we will have to do e power f of x minus 1 into g of x. There we had plus 1, so how they'll get cancelled. Here I have to put minus 1 as there. You just remember this formula instead of that one. So now let's go into the problem. Cos, you just put e power cos x minus 1 by x by tan x. This is all in the exponential form by x, right? 1 by cot tan. So this is what we'll get, cos x minus 1. Okay, we just put e power we put minus 1 minus cos x, x you keep, or just put like this is okay. Okay, substitute value. Limit, here we'll have limit x tends to 0. So limit x tends to 0 and write it here. Yeah, then you'll just substitute the value tan x by x, you know it's 1, right? This value is 1. The cos 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by anything, 0. So e power 0 is equal to 1. That's it. Anything power 0, 1. So that's the answer. Now we'll move on to the next question. Okay, we got the next question. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, the power of sin x by x minus. You will get the power. You'll get 1 power infinity form. That's the topic, right? So here limit. Okay, so we'll just use the formula I told in the previous question. Sin x e power. We'll just take every. We won't put e yet. Okay, hope you don't mind. Sin x minus by x minus 1. We just write that sin x minus x by x into minus of sin x by, we're taking minus from denominator, sin x minus x. You can see why I'm doing that, right? Cancel. And you know sin x by x is 1, so minus 1. So here will be e power this, and we'll get at last it is equal to e power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by e. But they will give this as the option, and this is what they have given, and this also they 1 by e, not x. 1 by e, this also they can give as the option. So this is the question, 9th question. Now we'll move on to 10th question. Okay, we got the next question. Limit x tends to infinity, x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole power x. So here you just do the same formula. So you just write e power x plus 5 minus x plus 1. We're taking from denominator by x minus 1 into x, right? So now yeah. So now what will we get? Okay, so now you take e power x cancel, 6 by x minus 1 to x, which is equal to e power, its limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity by x you take common, 1 minus 1 by x into x. These two cancel, it will get this will be 1 by infinity 0, 6 by 1 6, so e power 6. So this is the answer. Now we'll move on to the 11th question. Okay, so we got the 11th problem, and this is kinda just like last problem, 10th. So we'll just do the same. So e power x square plus 4x plus 3 minus x square minus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x minus 5 into x. X cancel, so we'll get e power 2x plus 8 by x you take common, x square you take common, 1 plus 2 by x minus 5 by x square. This also we'll just take over here as well. 2x plus 8 x, 2 plus 8 by x into x. Here 1x cancel, x cancel, so 2 by 1, which is equal to, because if you here limit, I always keep forgetting x infinity, yeah. So here 8 by infinity 0, 5 by infinity 0, 2 by infinity 0, so 2 by 1. E power 2 by 1 is equal to e square. That's it. That's the answer. This question is this 10th and 11th question. are like the same model actually. Yeah, so now let's move on to the 12th question. Now we're on the last question, 12th. Limit x and 0 cos 2x. Okay, let's use this formula I told before. So we'll get e power cos 2x. We have to write as cos, I'll just put minus here, minus of 1 minus cos 2x. You will get idea after I do one, and then into x square down here. This is equal to e power minus this is 2 sine square x by x. You got idea now? At least you will take 2. Let's take 2 out. Okay, or if we take 2 out, sine square x by x square. So we know we'll take this as, now we can take this as whole square. We know sine x by x 1, so 1 square 1 minus 2 is equal to e power minus 2, or 1 by e square. This is the option they given, answer they given, and they may also ask this. So that's it for this video. So in the next video, let's see about limits of the form 0 power 0 and infinity power 0. Thank you.